We're now on step 6 of our home addition project. Once the footing inspection has passed, we move on to framing the home addition. This is where the home really starts to take shape as we build the walls, floors, and roof, and prepare for rough-ins like electrical, plumbing, and HVAC. Step 6. Framing the structure. Step 1. Framing preparation. Before scheduling the inspection, make sure all rough-ins are completed and approved. Wall bracing and structural supports are installed. Approved plans and permits are on site. All areas, including attics and floors, are accessible. Step 2. Framing inspection. In Arlington, the framing inspection must be scheduled before installing exterior plywood or OSB sheathing, so the inspector can see all structural elements. The inspector checks wall, floor, and roof framing for proper spacing and materials, bracing and supports, anchor bolts, beams, and posts required by the engineer. Compliance with the Virginia Uniform Statewide Building Code.
Como queda para allá, dirección recto para allá, para acá, a botar todo. Ahí mira, solo la paja estoy que le toma. No, dámela a botar.
Step 3. After framing inspection passes. Once the framing inspection is approved, you can safely proceed with installing exterior plywood sheathing, house wrap, windows and doors, roofing, insulation, and drywall.
Allá va a caer la gorra cuando la vayas a cortar. No quería cortarlo. ¿Cortaste? Sí. Vamos a quitarlo para empujarlo.
And that wraps up step 6, framing inspection and preparation. With the framing approved, we can move forward with installing the sheathing, windows, doors, and roofing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss step 7 of our home addition series.